Another way of extending our Korean sentences is by combining two sentences through the use of connective endings. We have here the aso, also, yoso. Depending on the usage, the translation can vary. Sometimes the translation can be so or therefore, which is the same as 그래서, but sometimes it can also be translated as and. Let us understand this more by this example. It rained, I couldn't go. We're going to combine these two sentences and we say 비가 왔어요, 못 갔어요. So the combination will be 비가 와서 못 갔어요. 비가 와서 못 갔어요. We can see here that 비가 왔어요 is in the past, but when we combine the sentences, only the last verb is in the past form because the sentence cannot include other endings like at, ot, and yot. We can also see in this example that the first sentence is the reason of the second action. 비가 와서 못 갔어요. It rained, so I couldn't go. Another example is 점심을 많이 먹었어요. 배가 불러요. I ate a lot of lunch. I'm full. If we are going to combine these two sentences, we need to think of the 요 form and the present form of the 먹었어요. So it will be 먹어요. In that case, we just drop the 요 and then we say 먹어 and we add 서. 먹어서 배가 불러요. So the complete sentence is 점심을 많이 먹어서 배가 불러요. I ate a lot of lunch, so I'm full. This time, 아서, 어서, 여서 is used to link two actions taking place in order, and the meaning will be and. After the first action takes place, if another action takes place in order, you can link them using 아서, 어서, or 여서. Our example is I'm going to the park. I'm going to read a book. 공원에 갈 거예요. 책을 읽을 거예요. The two sentences are in the future tense. 공원에 갈 거예요. 책을 읽을 거예요. But again, when we combine these two sentences, only the last verb should be in the future tense, and we think of the 요 present form of the first verb. So we have 갈 거예요. The 요 form, which is in the present tense, is 가요. So we drop 요 and we add 서. 가서 책을 읽을 거예요. So our complete sentence is 공원에 가서 책을 읽을 거예요. 공원에 가서 책을 읽을 거예요. I will go to the park and read a book. Thank you for studying with us. 감사합니다. Till next time.